Now about the CBOE system back up and running. I want to get to our Julie Hyman, our senior markets correspondent in New York. Julie, what can you tell us?
Well, the Chicago Board Options Exchange trading had been down all morning until now. And the company said basically didn't know what had caused the outage. It did say that it was not caused by hacking, but didn't say what it was caused by. It was some kind of software issue and system issue. What did this mean? Well, for the duration of this outage, it meant that, in particular, proprietary products of the CBOE could not trade. In other words, VIX options, which are heavily traded, one of the most heavily traded contracts, in fact, and S&P 500 related options as well. Those are the proprietary products of the CBOE. The implications of this are twofold. First of all, and less significantly, the guys who work on the floor of the CBOE couldn't work. They couldn't trade during the duration of this, so missed opportunities on their part. And perhaps the broader implication is that institutions that use the VIX to hedge and other products to hedge couldn't adjust their positions during this point in time. So if you have the market sort of continue on its path and not see a lot of fluctuations, talking about the regular cash market now, then it's not an issue. But if you had seen some sort of exogenous shock to the market and a lot of volatility, then that could potentially have been more of an issue. But it looks like everything is back up and running at this point in time. CBOE just putting out a statement that it would be open fully as of noon Central Time, which is right now 1 p.m. Eastern here where I am. And so it looks like that things are back up and running. We'll be trying to get more details from the company as to why exactly this happened. But, you know, Emily, this really ties in some ways with what we saw happen earlier in the week with this related AP tweet-related crash that we saw in the markets momentarily, when you just have a lot of computerized involvement in the markets, whether the system's running stocks or the system's trading stocks.